Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good morning, class.
Morning.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay, I hope we are all in a good shape, and don't forget to always take care of our health and follow the health protocol during this pandemic. Okay, beforehand, to get the blessing from Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala in today's learning process, one of you please lead the prayer. Please, one of you lead the prayer. Okay, please. Okay, I choose Muhammad Arif. Please lead the prayer for today. Before we study, let's pray together. Pray, begin. Okay, thank you. Before we start today's lessons, I want to inform you that you have to. I want you to don't forget to make your attendance in Google Classroom. And today, in this pandemic situation like this, even though we don't see each other, you guys don't see each other, it doesn't mean we cannot continue our activity. And I would like to share a quote for you. It might be stormy now, but rain doesn't last forever. Okay, before start to the material for today, I want to. Okay, before we start our study, I want to tell you something. Okay, please listen to me and give your response if you want to make a response by turn on your audio. Today, has social media, right? Please.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Okay. What kind of social media do you have? Okay. Okay. What kind of social media do you have? Do you have Instagram?
Instagram.
Yeah. What else? Instagram, Facebook. Yeah, good. What else?
Twitter.
Yeah, Twitter. And what else? Okay. Okay. Anybody has a TikTok?
No.
Yeah. Okay. Boys don't have a TikTok, but I think girls has a TikTok. But for me, I don't have a TikTok, but I am always watching TikTok video from Instagram. Yeah, in my Instagram Explore, so many TikTok video that I saw, and in the pandemic. Okay, COVID-19 pandemic start in Indonesia or start in Jakarta, and yeah, dari April, right? Ya, we don't see, ya dari April kita tidak bertemu, dari April kalian tidak sekolah seperti biasanya sampai sekarang, okay. And sosial media itu menjadi sebuah apa ya? Sebuah penghibur juga untuk kita, sebuah inspirasi juga untuk kita, dan banyak sekali so many inspiration from especially TikToks and Instagram that I saw, and everyone tends to be like a chef. Semuanya ingin jadi chef, ya. Jadi chef, ya kan? Okay. Maybe in the first half of pandemic, the viral coffee, dalgona coffee, do you know? Yeah. And what else? What else? The kind of food or drinks that goes viral in the pandemic. Yeah.
Garlic cheese.
Yes, garlic bread, cheese, and what else? Yeah. Dessert box, ya. Dessert box. Okay. Dessert box. Okay. Dari yang saya tadi perkenalkan, banyak sekali tadi ada dalgona, kemudian ada garlic cheese bread, tadi ada yang jawab thank you for the answer, and then apalagi tadi dessert box. Nah, itu kira-kira sekarang kita mau belajar apa sih? Okay.
Popular food in COVID-19 maybe?
Yeah, thank you. Bayu Alif Aryo, popular food in COVID-19. Okay, yeah, food. I would like to share you some screen. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait. Okay. Sebelumnya, saya akan menyebutkan tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini ya. Tujuannya adalah yang pertama, untuk mengidentifikasi fungsi sosial dari prosedur teks yang berkenaan dengan makanan atau minuman. Kemudian, menentukan struktur dari prosedur teks. Kemudian, menggunakan language features dari prosedur teks. Kemudian yang terakhir, menceritakan kembali prosedur teks yang terlihat dalam video. Okay, so for today, we're going to learn about the prosedur text, especially, yeah, okay, prosedur text. Okay, who wants to read this meaning or definition? Please, somebody.
Can I?
Yes,
Bayu Alif.
Bayu Alif.
Procedure text. The procedure text tell us to do something. It is usually consists of a set of sequence steps or a method to achieve what our goal is.
Yeah, to achieve what our goal is. Goal, what is goal? Apa itu sih goal?
Tujuan.
Yeah, thank you. Bukan goalnya yang di sepak bola ya?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Kinds of procedure text. There are 3 kinds of procedure text. The first one is recipe, and the second one is user manual, and the third one is itinerary. Okay. We're going to learn these 3 types of procedure text. But today, I would like to focus on the recipe. Before we define what is a recipe, let's take a look closer to the information below. Okay, sebelumnya kita akan lihat informasi yang ada di bawah ini ya. Oke, ada di situ generic structure. Ada 3. There are 3 generic structures in procedure text. The first one is goal or purpose. Usually we found it in the title. Okay, don't forget for the goal of the procedure text. Usually we found it in the title. Yeah, and the second one is tools or ingredients, based on the text that we're going to make. And then the important parts in the procedure text is the step or method. Give the procedure on how we make it based on the order. Okay, we have to make something based on the order. If we don't follow the instruction, maybe there's a dangerous in okay, wait. There's a dangerous if we perform something. Contohnya saja, if we sorry, saya admit dulu. Misalnya, if we cook something, the first thing that we have to do when we cook something, hal yang pertama yang harus kita lakukan sebelum kita masak sesuatu. Okay, what is it?
Make a goal or purpose.
Ya, make a goal or purpose. Ya, harus ada. Ini kita mau buat apa ya, ya kan? Terus misalnya, kalau contohnya the simple things. Cook instant noodle. Cooks instant noodle. The first thing that we have to do when we want to cook instant noodle, what is it? Okay, who wants to answer? Hal yang pertama sebelum kita masak mie instan, apa itu? Oke, kayaknya nggak ada yang jawab nih. The first thing that we have to do when we want to cook instant noodle. Yeah, of course, we have to
Prepare a tool.
Prepare a tools. Yeah, good. Kalau misalnya kita langsung masukin mie instannya tanpa ada panci atau tempatnya, masa langsung di kompor, itu kan nggak mungkin ya. Jadi we have to make it based on the order. Jadi harus sesuai urutannya. Kalau tidak ya akan berbahaya bagi kita ya. Oke, ingat-ingat. Jadi yang paling penting dari generic structures itu, yang paling penting dari prosedur text itu adalah step or methodnya ya. Karena if we don't follow the order, it will be dangerous for us. Akan berbahaya ya. Okay, and the next for the language features, imperative or command, and the second one is adverbial of time. The third one is action verb, present simple, conjunction, and adverbial of sequence. Nah, imperative or command, contohnya di sini, cut the onion, turn on the lamp. Oke, coba I want some of you tell the other imperative. Coba yang lain, ada yang mau untuk mencoba imperatif yang lain? Oke, saya lihat di sini ada Muhammad Ridho. Ridho, can you tell me the imperative? Ya, Ridho, please.
Ya, Bu.
Ya, contoh imperatif yang lain. Sini saya kasih contohnya. Cut the onion, turn on the lamp. What else? Ya, Ridho. Wah, Ridho mute lagi. Oke, mungkin yang lain, yang girls, yang perempuan. Dari tadi saya dengarnya suara Bayu aja nih. Yang lain mana ya suaranya? Yang girls. Oke, saya admin dulu temennya ya. Oke, siapa yang bicara? Zaki Akbar? Ya, silahkan. Oke. Ya, mungkin masih malu-malu because baru pertama lihat saya ya. Oke. Ini adverbial of time in 30 minutes. Apalagi contohnya?
Don't forget the sauce.
Ya, boleh. Itu tadi imperatif ya. Oke. Adverbial of time-nya in 30 minutes, in 5 minutes, in 1 hour. Oke, dan lain-lain ya. Kemudian action verb. Action verb. Go, get, cut, pour, mix, ya. And then heat. Untuk present simple, for some tips. Kemudian conjunction atau kata hubung. Kata hubung mudah ya. Di sini ada then, after that, and.
After.
Ya. Kemudian adverbial of sequence, first, second, third,
The.
fourth. Ya.
The.
Ya, Hikmah, tuh so Khalifah. Oke, thank you. Ya, kita lanjut ke next part. Please take a look into this video. Oke, kita akan lihat video bersama-sama ya. And after that, please take a look into the Padlet, and I will give you this link. Padlet.com Nunuhasan 27/SMPN 273. Oke, kita akan buka sini. Kan? Nah, sekarang kalian please go to the Padlet, padlet.com/nunuhasan27/SMPN 273. Akan saya buat di ini ya. Dan saya tuliskan di chat room. Ya, please go to padlet.com/nunuhasan 27/SMPN 273. Okay, di sana ada some question for you based on the video that we saw. Ya, okay. And I will monitor in here. Saya akan monitor dari sini siapa saja yang sudah masuk ke padlet.com. Ya, untuk padlet.com, you don't have to install the application because it's not the application. You can go to padlet.com. Kalian bisa langsung ke Padlet saja, tidak perlu install aplikasi atau apapun. Ya, saya akan share screen lagi, melihat siapa yang sudah mengisi Padletnya ya. Pertanyaannya, what did you see in the video? Have you ever make it? Have you see it in written text? So, what is it? Can you define with your own words what is a recipe? Okay, di sini, please write the ingredients. If you still remember the ingredients of making the avocado juice, and then write the step. You don't have to write all of the step, but yang kalian ingat aja. Ya. Okay, anybody? Adakah yang sudah ke Padlet?
Ya, udah.
Sudah?
Sudah, Miss.
Sudah, oke, thank you. Kita akan lihat ya, kita reload dulu. Mungkin perlu di-reload. Thank you for answering on the Padlet. Is there any imperative in the goal? Apakah ada imperatifnya di goal? Please, anybody wants to answer? Okay. Apakah ada imperatifnya di ingredients or in the method? Okay, so kira-kira imperatifnya ada di mana ya di bagian ini? Okay.
Method.
Yeah, in the method. Coba sebutkan one of them. Okay. Oh iya, saya kasih contoh dulu ya. Ini dia. Okay, list of imperative. Di sini saya tuliskan place apple. Letakkan apple. Coba kita lihat lagi. Berarti tadi Bayu Alif bilang ada di method. Nah, tadi yang contohnya saya pertama berikan place apple. And then after that, ada lagi kah imperatifnya?
Place flour in a bowl.
Ya, yeah, thank you Mutia and thank you Bayu. Place flour in a bowl. Anything? Ada lagi? Ya, ya. Kita fokus di sini. Tadi place apple, kemudian place flour in a bowl, and then, ya Mutia. Ya, oke. Saya kasih ya lagi. Rub in margarine, kemudian stir in sugar and water, pour over apples, dan bake at 180 degrees Celsius. And then yang terakhir, serve warm with cream or ice cream. Nah, itu adalah imperatif. Imperatif sama dengan command ya, atau kalimat perintah. Oke. Yep. Thank you. Nah, kok udah thank you aja sih? Oke. I have some question for you in the liveworksheet.com. Ya, oke. Nanti saya berikan linknya ya untuk liveworksheet.com. Watch the video on my channel. Oke, kalian bisa langsung kalau di live worksheet bisa langsung play videonya. Videonya seperti tadi, ya. And then I have some multiple choice. Tidak banyak. It's just 4. Ya. For task 1, multiple choice. What is the purpose of the text in the video? You can choose one of them by clicking this. And then, ya itu sama 1 sampai nomor 4. And for the task 2, masih videonya yang tadi. And you have to write the goal, the tools and ingredients, and the step. And then for the task 3, it's so easy for you. Task 3, you have to match the words, imperative words with the pictures. Kalian harus matching gambar dengan imperative words-nya ya. Nah, you have to put numbers. You just put number in here. Kalian cuma tuliskan numbernya saja ya. Dan setelah itu kalian klik finish. Ya. Nah, and then you have to email your answer to me ya. Kalian harus email answer-nya ke saya. Ya, enter your full name. Ya, misalnya namanya Nur Hasanah. And grade-nya kelas 9 and school subject-nya English of course. And for my email, ya, nanti akan saya berikan email saya juga. Please do it individual ya. Kalian kerjakan individual because it needs your name and then your grade and school subject. Ya, enter email kemudian send to me. Ya. Oke. Oke, send. Nah, setelah kalian send, you can still ini karena tidak dijawab tadi ya, kita tidak menjawabnya. Ya, nilainya di sini sudah ada langsung nilainya. 0. Nilainya 0. Tapi kalau kalian mengerjakan, nilai kalian pasti akan bagus ya. Oke, di sini saya menggunakan range nilainya 1 sampai 10. Itu sama juga 100 ya. Oke. Nah, akan saya berikan live worksheet-nya ke kalian. Oh ya, untuk berikan do your works in liveworksheet.com. Ya, ini saya sudah berikan linknya ya. Please kalian copy, paste, and then, or you can open right now in liveworksheet.com. And then don't forget to send me by email, nurhasan27@gmail.com. Ya, please everybody turn on your video because I want to record your attendance. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for letting me join this class. Terima kasih kalian telah mengizinkan saya masuk ke kelas kalian. I hope you get some inspiration or some learning process in here. Oh yeah, but I would like to ask you one more question for the reflection, untuk refleksinya. Okay, what we learned today? Okay, what we learned today? Kita belajar apa di hari ini? Okay, who wants to answer? Please.
We learn about the procedure text.
Yeah, we learned about the procedure text and especially the recipe. Okay, can you define with your own words what is a recipe? Kira-kira apa sih itu recipe itu dari bahasa kalian yang kalian mengerti recipe? What is recipe? Procedure text, especially recipe. Kira-kira apa sih recipe itu? Okay. Ya, halo. Ya, Nerissa, Anggita. Wah, hilang lagi. Okay. Who wants to answer? Nobody wants to answer? Nggak ada yang mau jawab nih. Ya,
Bahan-bahan.
ya Muhammad Ridho, bahan-bahan. Bahan-bahan apa ya? Bahan kain atau bahan apa nih?
Makanan.
Iya, bahan makanan. Resep bahan. Iya, ada di dalamnya terdapat bahan makanan atau bahan-bahan. Ya, tadi apa ya bahan-bahan itu? Ingredients ya, ingredients. Kemudian ada apa lagi selain ingredients? Tadi di generic tools ya, di generic structures-nya ada ingredients, ada tools. Ada apa lagi tadi? Yang the important things in procedure text. Masih ingat apa yang paling penting? Method ya atau step ya. Jadi resep atau recipe adalah ya kalau pakai bahasa Indonesia seperti ini, kumpulan dari bahan-bahan dan langkah-langkah untuk membuat makanan atau minuman. So, recipe is a list of ingredients and step to make some food or drink ya. Ya, ada yang bisa mengulangi? Who wants to repeat? Thank you for joining. Don't forget to be grateful to Allah and say hamdalah.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Thank you. I see you next time jika ada kesempatan lagi ya. Oh ya, don't forget ya, kalian you have to write your answer in padlet.com and then do the exercise or LKPD in liveworksheet.com ya, yang sudah saya tadi share. Kemudian kalian kirimkan ke apa namanya email saya, because me and Pak Heri will check your apa namanya tugas kalian ya. Ya, don't forget ya, kalian you have to absent in the Google Classroom. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Nice to see you. Okay, you can leave.
Nice to see you too.
Okay, you can leave.
Okay, thank you for everyone.